This year is almost coming to an end in just 2 months, and honestly, 2025 has been a year full of excitement and innovation for tool lovers. And to draw a good end, Makita is set to launch some amazing new tools for you. Don't you want to see them in action right away? Working in tight spaces with poor visibility can be frustrating, especially when precision really matters. That's where the Makita Cordless Die Grinder GD002G steps in to make your job a whole lot easier. Powered by a Makita XGT high-output Li-ion battery and a BL motor, this model delivers both high work efficiency and incredible durability. You'll find it equipped with a shaft lock, LED lights, and several usability upgrades compared to the older DGD800 model. Its ergonomically designed slim grip makes it comfortable to hold for long hours, thanks to the reduced grip size that ensures easy handling. Replacing top-mounted tools is simple with the shaft lock. You can do it with just the supplied collet nut wrench. 3 LEDs are placed around the tool circumference to provide excellent visibility in dark or narrow spaces, and you can turn them on or off by simply rotating the dial. To keep you safe, it features active feedback sensing technology, or AFT, which automatically cuts off power if the bit jams, reducing recoil during kickback. Plus, you can fine-tune the dial speed based on your task. Use higher rotation speeds for deburring or grinding, and lower speeds for finish polishing or removing paint and rust. Overall, the GD002G is built for smooth, controlled, and efficient work, exactly what every pro looks for in a die grinder. Tired of switching tools for every cleaning or polishing task? The Makita PS001GM101 XGT Brushless Polisher Scrubber is your all-in-one solution for tackling multiple surfaces with ease. Running on the 40V Max XGT platform, this versatile tool is designed for a wide range of applications, from cleaning and polishing tiles and decks to scrubbing resin, wax, concrete, and more. It comes with color-coded attachments, so you can easily switch between surfaces without confusion. Under the hood, it's powered by a durable Makita-built brushless motor paired with Extreme Protection Technology, or XPT, to handle rough job site conditions. The adjustable head lets you set it for fixed or free-moving operation, while the splash guard keeps water and detergent from splattering everywhere. You also get a telescopic pipe with 14 inches of adjustment range, making it more convenient for users of different heights. With 3 speed modes, you can match the power to the surface you're cleaning. Makita also focused on usability. You can replace the brush quickly without touching it directly, and 2 always-on LED job lights make sure you can see clearly in dim areas. And of course, to top it off, the PS001GM101 is backed by Makita's 3-year warranty, giving you confidence in both its durability and reliability. When you're pulling a deep vacuum, performance and precision are everything, and that's where the Makita 4CFM dual-stage vacuum pump really shines. This oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pump delivers higher performance and deeper vacuuming, making it ideal for professional HVAC or refrigeration tasks. With its dual-stage compression system, it achieves faster, more consistent vacuuming results. You can get up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime using 2 6.0A batteries, thanks to the 2-bay battery system, and the pump operates on 1 battery at a time, with an LED indicator showing which one's in use. It provides vacuum pressure down to PA 3, allowing you to reach deeper vacuums efficiently. With an air delivery rate of up to 113 liters per minute, it offers strong suction performance that saves you time on every job. To protect your work, it includes an electromagnetic check valve that prevents backflow even when the battery runs out. Makita also added flexible connectivity options with 5/16 and 3/8" inlet ports, plus a 5/16" female to 1/4" male adapter for even greater adaptability. And with a Makita-built motor spinning at 3,200 RPM, this vacuum pump combines speed, reliability, and deep vacuuming performance all in one durable unit. Makita XTS02 1/4" narrow crown stapler. If you've ever struggled with slow staplers that jam or lose power midway, the Makita XTS02 1/4" narrow crown stapler will feel like a breath of fresh air. Running on Makita's 18V LXT platform, this stapler delivers class-leading cordless performance with up to twice the nailing speed of typical models. It's powerful enough to drive staples sub-flush into both hardwood and softwood, offering consistent and clean results every time. The slim nose design gives you better access in confined spaces and helps with more precise staple placement. On top of that, it has an ultra-compact ergonomic build and weighs just 6.3 pounds with the battery, ensuring easy handling and maneuverability. To prevent dry firing and extend tool life, it's equipped with an anti-dry fire mechanism. The XTSO2 also boasts excellent runtime, driving up to 4,500 staples per charge with a 5.0 Ah battery and 1,800 staples using a 2.0 Ah battery. It handles a wide range of 18-gauge 1/4 inch narrow crown staples from 3/8 to 1.5 inch with a magazine capacity of up to 110 staples. And when it's time for maintenance, the toolless, easy clear nose lets you remove jam staples in seconds. This stapler combines speed, precision, and comfort, everything you need for efficient finishing, upholstery, or paneling work. Cutting through thick logs with precision can be exhausting, unless you've got the right saw in hand. The Makita UC030G cordless chainsaw delivers serious performance with the freedom of cordless power. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, this 40V Max XGT rear-handle chainsaw offers bar lengths of 400mm, 450mm, and 500mm to suit different needs. When paired with the high-output BL4080H battery, it performs on par with or even better than a 50cc class engine chainsaw, easily handling trees up to 400mm in diameter. You'll notice how quickly it accelerates with each trigger pull, allowing for smooth, continuous cutting, perfect for limbing or felling. You can choose between eco, medium, and high speeds depending on the job, and variable speed control via the trigger makes adjustments seamless. Safety and comfort are top-notch here. The tool automatically slows down when excessive force is applied to reduce strain, and it's IPX4M rated for reliable operation in rainy conditions. Makita also improved usability with intuitive icons, bright LEDs, and responsive buttons. Maintenance is a breeze too, with the toolless air filter cover, redesigned lock-off lever, and a 5-minute auto shut-off for safety. And to make cutting easier, the highly visible felling line provides clear directional guidance every time. Whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly morning on the job site, staying refreshed makes all the difference, and the Makita DCW180 Cooler Warmer has you covered. Designed for professionals on the go, the 18V X2 LXT Cooler Warmer keeps your drinks cold or your food warm depending on what you need. It has 4 cooling modes that maintain constant temperatures of 15 degrees F, 30 degrees F, 40 degrees F, and 50 degrees F, along with 2 warming modes of 130 degrees F and 140 degrees F. With a total 20-liter capacity, it's large enough to store plenty of refreshments for long work days. It can run on 1 or 2 18V LXT batteries for extended runtime, or you can plug it into a 12-volt or 24-volt View socket or even an AC outlet for maximum convenience. The large, easy-to-read LED display shows temperature and remaining battery time at a glance. Makita didn't forget about comfort either. Large wheels make it easy to move across rough terrain and is water resistant with the IPX4 rating to handle harsh job site conditions. As handy extras, you also get a built-in bottle opener and a rubberized handle to easily carry your hangwear if you need light and music together. It's a perfect mix of portability, power, and practicality, ideal for job sites, camping, or even road trips. If you love music while you work or you need a reliable light source, the Makita XRM13 Bluetooth radio and LED lantern gives you both in one compact tool. You can wirelessly connect your phone through Bluetooth to play your favorite songs or use it as an FM radio with 9 programmable station presets. Lighting is where this unit truly stands out. It features 4 different LED lighting modes, a full 360-degree lantern, a 3-sided lantern, a flashlight, and a strobe flashlight. You can choose between 2 brightness levels from 130 to up to 310 lumens and 3 color temperatures, daylight white, neutral white, and warm white. That means you can easily switch between a bright work mode and a relaxed evening setting. The built-in USB port allows you to charge portable devices, while the lantern guard also works as an FM antenna for better reception. It's powered by an 18V LXT 5.0 Ah battery sold separately and can provide up to 16 hours of continuous lighting in lantern mode or an impressive 44 hours of radio operation. Plus, the foldable metal hook and rubberized handle make it easy to carry or hang wherever you need light and music together.
Cutting through different materials in tight spaces can be a challenge, especially when your saw feels bulky or heavy. That's why the Makita JR003G cordless RECIPRO saw is designed to offer power and speed in an ultra-compact form. This 12-volt Max CXT lithium-ion saw delivers up to 3,300 strokes per minute with a half-inch stroke length, giving you fast, clean cuts across a range of materials. It's lightweight at only 2.9 pounds with a 2.0 Ah battery and measures just 14 3/4 inches long, making it perfect for overhead or confined work. The dual-position on-off switch gives you flexibility to choose between paddle or trigger-style operation. Plus, the toolless blade change system makes swapping blades quick and easy, saving you valuable time on the job. Its ergonomic rubberized soft grip ensures comfort and control, and the built-in LED light brightens your workspace for more precision. The 12-volt CXT slide batteries also come with onboard LED charge indicators, so you always know your power level. Whether it's cutting PVC, ABS pipes, drywall, EMT, or wood, This compact saw handles it all effortlessly, making it a must-have for quick and efficient cutting tasks. If mowing the lawn still feels like a chore, Makita just made it easier. The 40V Max XGT brushless 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower combines gas-like power with cordless convenience. It's built with a high-torque motor that delivers outstanding performance and a premium cut quality with a strong vacuum lift. Thanks to the auto-switching dual battery system, it uses two 40V Max batteries for up to twice the runtime, seamlessly switching power between them as you go. The self-propelled cruise control technology makes mowing smoother and less tiring, even on uneven terrain. It comes complete with two 40V Max 4.0 AH batteries, a charger, a 21-inch mower blade, a mulching plug, and a side discharge chute. The mower's out-power design ensures high torque for heavy grass, while Outsmart technology maximizes runtime and efficiency. Altogether, this mower delivers a perfect mix of precision, power, and comfort, making yard work feel effortless. When you need quick, precise heat without cords getting in the way, the Makita HG001G cordless heat gun gets the job done effortlessly. Running on the 40V Max XGT platform, it reaches a max temperature of 600 degrees C with a strong air volume of 200 L per minute for efficient heating. The quick-release nozzle mechanism makes switching attachments faster, and it offers constant temperature and airflow control for consistent results. The backlit LCD display gives you all the info you need: temperature, airflow, battery level, and even error notifications. It also includes memory and max temperature control functions, letting you store your preferred settings. For added comfort and usability, there's a lock-on button for continuous use, a hanging hook for easy storage, and a soft rubberized grip that keeps your hand comfortable during long work sessions. And it offers the ability to connect to the optional extension handle to keep yourself from bending over and over for protecting your back as well. This heat gun is a perfect mix of power, safety, and convenience, ideal for any professional setting. If you've ever spent hours manually tying rebar, you already know how tiring and time-consuming it can get. That's where the Makita cordless rebar tying tool TR001G steps in to make your life easier. Powered by an XGT battery and equipped with dual BL motors, this tool delivers high tying strength and impressive speed using 1.6mm wire. It comes with a smart wire pullback mechanism that holds the wire tip and retracts it to ensure a tight, secure tie every time. The dual BL motors handle twisting and feeding separately for stable, consistent tying results. Safety is also well thought out. You get a main power switch and a trigger lock function to avoid accidental starts. The TR001G can handle a wide range of rebar sizes, so it's perfect for different applications. Wire loading is simple too, thanks to its one-step mechanism with linked cover and gear system. Plus, the clockwise wire twisting design minimizes the risk of loosening when retightening by hand. With an ergonomic rubberized soft grip, you can work comfortably for long hours. And since it's XPT compatible, it's resistant to dust and water in harsh job site environments. You can even add an optional extension handle to tie rebars while standing, saving your back from endless bending. And that wraps up the list of Makita's latest tools of 2025. A perfect way to close out such an exciting year for every tool lover out there. From power-packed cordless innovations to smart job site-ready designs, Makita really knows how to finish strong. So which of these new tools impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tool updates coming your way.